What's up, everybody? We're here in Malaysia with Intel's technology tour, and I have my man, BooredAtWork. You have to, Inobong is his name. If you don't know him, now you're gonna know him. So please introduce yourself properly, as well as what type of content you actually bring to the table.
Well, thank you for having me. I am with the one and only The Poets, by the way. To put that out there. Anyway, my name known by most online is BooredAtWork. My channel is also called BooredAtWork on all platforms, and the idea is to showcase tech in the simplest manner, especially if you are bored at work. That was my original slogan from like 11 years ago.
11 years ago?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. So he's an OG in the tech content creation space.
Yeah.
What is your favorite type of content you like to produce right now?
Short form.
Short form?
Short
Okay.
form. Just because it's easier and it allows me to go back to an era we used to have. Early days of YouTube was a lot of unboxings, a lot of new devices, a lot of just like, what is this?
Correct. Yeah.
And as YouTube grew, we kind of went away from that just because people wanted to see more in-depth details and stuff like that. Now with short form, I can do unboxings for stuff, even though I know what it is, but it's still cool to just be like opening up a new present,
Yeah.
every
Yeah.
day. So, yeah.
So here at Intel's technology tour, this is an amazing experience because we get to get some hands-on with the new stuff that we can't actually talk about in this video. So let's just say that it's fascinating. It's generational leaps for a lot of things, a lot of aspects. And that's about as much as we can say in this video, so stay tuned, definitely. But I would love to ask you a question about this experience in general. How has it been for you?
It's been fun. It's been fun to travel, honestly, and I would say we're blessed to have such opportunities.
Oh, yes, yes.
And also just meet people and, kind of like pick brains on different ideas, whether it's like fellow creators, whether it's even people, from Intel, as well, just talking to them about, the PC market, the PC industry, what's going on, they're fans too. Like they are, these are people who love the products just the way we do love the products. So
Yeah.
I think that's always the best part.
I love the fact that there's people here, the engineers, that have been working on these products for 3-4 years, and we get to ask them questions directly.
Yeah.
Like that's amazing to me. It's not just like scrolling Twitter and reading news articles. Like, no, these are the people that have spent their lives like developing this tech and studying this tech.
Yeah.
That's just fascinating for me. Also, when it comes to Malaysia in general, like this is my first time here. What about you?
Oh, it's my first time.
First time. All right, first time. Food is amazing. Yes.
Oh, absolutely.
People have been great. Very hospitable.
That's very true.
Very hospitable here. Muggy. Yes.
I mean, okay. Look, I was in Korea earlier.
Oh, okay.
And Japan, and Malaysia has been great weather-wise in comparison.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay.
So temperatures have been around 82 to 85 roughly.
Yeah.
When I was in Korea and Japan, it was 90s, almost
Plus
100.
humidity.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
right now I'm feeling like this is great.
Yeah, I was in Taipei, Taiwan, and that was hot and humid.
Yeah.
But we didn't get the rain that we're getting here, so it's a little different. But yeah, that was Computex. Fascinating event.
I have never been.
Oh, so
I'm jealous, guys.
There's a couple of big tech events each year. So you have CES, Consumer Electronics Show, that's in Las Vegas. I love CES. I look forward to going at every single year. All the technology that's really meant for me, so like PC content, like motherboards, RAM, processor, like all the RGB everywhere.
That's true.
That was cool for me. And this is also a spectacular event for me, hearing about all this new Intel technology. Now, when it comes to your content, you do a lot of the unboxings of like TVs and things of that nature.
Yeah.
So how do you see like this kind of tying in to what you would like to tell your viewers about?
Well, I mean, for me, I'm a gamer.
Okay.
I always add in a lot of gaming into my stuff.
Without saying any NDA stuff,
Yeah. But, I mean, look, Intel makes chips, and, you build PCs, you build big gaming rigs.
Yep.
You're a Star Citizen fan, so
Oh, yes.
you understand what it means to have the right processor, or at least the increased performance, whatever whatever you're looking for to take your gaming to the next level. So for me, coming here, I wanted to see what's next, what's new for
Right.
PC gaming. What I'm going to build next year. That's the idea. That's what I'm looking at here.
Some water cooling, maybe? PC water cooling?
Oh, God, look, you can come. You can come do that for me. I am done. I'm done water cooling.
So the lady is behind the camera. So he's invited us to go overseas, and he's paying for it and everything. So I'll bring the parts.
I mean, I look. I see your stuff. It's great. I love
Yeah.
it. I'm like, I wish I. You know what? I'm just gonna watch your videos. Just keep doing it.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. So yeah, so with PCs, you have PC water cooling, you have air cooling, thermoelectric cooling, exotic cooling, all kinds of options for PCs, all depending on what it is you want to do. Do you enjoy using a PC in terms of just like building up from scratch, or is it the end result where you just want to enjoy your game? That's the beauty of like PC Master.
No, it is the beauty. I do enjoy building. And I used to pride myself in being able to build a PC in about 45 minutes.
Hey. Okay.
Right now it's about an hour. I haven't done that frequently enough.
Okay,
So
okay.
it's like an hour, maybe an hour and a half.
That's not bad at all.
Yeah,
Not
but
bad at all.
I used to do 45 minutes, but I do enjoy the building part because for me, building PCs was like working on a car.
Yeah.
That was my own. Because it took me a while to buy a car, so that was my own way of like getting my Dominic Toretto fix of my own personal Fast and Furious.
There you go.
However you want to put it.
There you go. Everybody's got a hobby. Some people like motorcycles, cars. For me, PCs, But yeah, I feel you on that. So is there anything you want to shout out to the world before we wrap up?
I will say, guys, keep watching this man's videos. Short form, long form content. It's great, honestly. And at least for me, though, personally, it has always been a fun experience where I scroll, I see a video, and I'm like, I thought I knew, and then I'm learning something new. I'm like, damn, okay, it's good.
Thank you.
It's good.
Thank
So
you.
all I say is keep watching, and you know what? Let's get this man to 300,000
Ah,
and higher.
thank you. Thank you.
But yeah.
Well, so this is Intel Technology Tour. Can't wait to show you more. Hey, I'm rhyming here. And so, shout out to Inobong. Please follow him, watch his content. Honestly, it's artistic at times. Like, I really do love it. So, yeah. All right, we're going to end right here. We have more to see, more to show, and more to actually not talk to you about because of NDAs, but stay tuned for more of what we can show. Thank you so much.
Thanks, man.
All right. Take care.